Morning routine. Hi, my name is Sarah. Every morning I wake up at 7 a.m. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I have a yummy breakfast. Usually cereal or toast with jam. Then, I get dressed in my school uniform and my mom helps me pack my backpack. We leave for school around 8 a.m. Afternoon routine. In the afternoon, I have classes at school. I learn interesting things like math, science, and English. During lunchtime, I eat with my friends. We share our snacks and talk about our day. After classes, I go to home, and my mom prepares a delicious lunch for me. I enjoy some playtime before starting my homework. Evening routine. In the evening, I finish my homework with the help of my mom. We sometimes go for a short walk together. Later we have a tasty dinner as a family. After dinner, I like to relax by watching cartoons or playing games. Before bed, I brush my teeth again and change into my pajamas. My mom reads a bedtime story. And then it's time to sleep. Night routine. At night, I go to bed around 9 p.m. I like to read a storybook or listen to soft music before sleeping. My room is cozy with a night light. I say goodnight to my family, and we all go to sleep. That's my daily routine. From waking up in the morning to falling asleep at night. Weekend routine. On the weekends, I don't have school. I can sleep in a little bit later. I start my day with a special breakfast. Maybe pancakes or eggs. Sometimes my family and I go on fun outings like visiting a park or watching a movie. We have a big lunch together. In the afternoon, I play games or do some drawing. It's a time to relax and have fun. Special occasions. During special occasions like birthdays or holidays, my routine is different. We celebrate with decorations and yummy food. On these days, I enjoy with my friends, and we play games together. My family and I exchange gifts and share laughter. It's a time when everyone is happy and excited. Sometimes I help my mom with chores around the house. I might help set the table for meals or tidy up my room. These little tasks make me feel responsible and helpful. It's nice to contribute to keeping our home neat and organized. Hobbies. In my free time I have hobbies. I love drawing and coloring. It's a way for me to express myself. I also enjoy playing sports like soccer in the park. Hobbies make my day more interesting and enjoyable. This is my daily life routine filled with different activities and moments that make each day unique.